All right, chums, let's do this. A listener of the podcast asked for a quick recap of the Google 2025 March core algorithm update. Not a rant, not a long podcast, a quick digestible recap. Here it is. The update wrapped up 4 days ago on March 27th. It was 2 weeks long. There was a lot on the line. 1 year ago for Google's March 2024 core algorithm update, so many content sites, blog sites, webmasters, marketers doing SEO with a blog got devastated. Lots of them were just completely wiped out. People couldn't afford to pay their writers. There was so much on the line here. People were terrified that there would be another obliteration of more content sites or other types of sites. So there was a lot on the line. And actually at the beginning, the rollout on March 13th, a lot of content sites saw fluctuations. I saw fluctuation in one of my content sites. The traffic just went straight down. And then a day or two later, it bounced back up to where it was before. Other people reported the same thing. There was a lot of volatility at the beginning of the rollout on March 13th, a lot of volatility. Lots of people are reporting that there are now more AI overviews in the search engine results pages. This is when Google uses AI to summarize a result or several results and cite sources. However, even though sources are being cited, there is a 70% decrease in click-through rate when an AI overview occurs. And as a result, people are saying that they are noticing less traffic. And they're attributing AI overviews to that. The lesson here is do purchase intent search engine optimization, not top of funnel. Blog SEO most likely will continue to get crushed. Purchase intent bottom of funnel demand generation SEO is winning. Leading up to this update, forums on independent websites were doing very well. They were getting prioritized since 2023. Webmasters and SEOs were putting forums into their websites. These forums would rank really well. They would do parasite SEO with their own forums. So because forums were being prioritized, instead of using a blog to rank for their keywords, they were using their forums. And now with this update, people are reporting that forums on independent websites are tanking. Not forums like Reddit, but forums on independent sites that were implemented, especially for SEO, but a lot of other forums, even ones that have been around since the 90s, are tanking. Independent forums are tanking. This has been reported by several people. When Google launched this core algorithm update, they said they want to continue to surface more content from creators. That was their language. They want to continue to surface more content from creators. This directly means independent blogs. They have acknowledged in the past how the helpful content update took out a lot of independent blogs. That was a big update that started in 2023 that's just started tanking blogs. And you really saw it happen in March 2024. So Google said that they want to continue to surface more content from creators, but this could also mean video and user-generated content. Video is ranking super well in Google search. If you want to rank for video, take your keyword, put it in the beginning of your title field for your video, the beginning of your description field for your video, and write a long description for SEO. That's how to rank with video. Video ranks so well. And pretty much the same thing applies if you are using user-generated content to rank. You want your keywords to be at the beginning of the user-generated content. UGC, user-generated content, continues to be prioritized. Google also said that they want to boost originality. However, critics are saying that this is propaganda, and this was leading up to the March update. Google said it would start hitting sites that are doing SEO with too much fluff, especially recipe sites. So if you're doing recipe SEO, you have too much fluff, you make people sort through thousands of words of content to get their recipes, and it's just impossible to find. These sites are going to get hit. But I believe personally that this will become a larger trend in search engine optimization. If you look at the way that people are searching, they want shorter answers. They want Reddit. It's more concise. Lots of articles don't need to be 3,000 words. They can be a couple bullets. All right. So like I said, this was a 2-week rollout, but there was some volatility before it, and we can expect some volatility after it. Google said that any volatility prior to the announcement of the core algorithm update was unrelated to that update. But others are saying, again, that this is propaganda. Lots of people are saying that a lot of Google's statements are propaganda. And the last thing, there have been people reporting recoveries from the helpful content update. Not that many, but you are seeing it here and there. People are saying they're changing their content, they're changing their link building strategies, and they are recovering their traffic to their independent blogs. And Google is saying that it wants these blogs to recover, especially the ones doing things well who shouldn't have been hit but were hit. And that is all for this recap of the 2025 Google March core algorithm update. And that's all for episode 635 of my daily digital marketing podcast. Do this thing every day, 635 days in a row. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye now. Oh, and if you want to learn bottom of funnel SEO, demand generation SEO, purchase intent, search engine optimization, check out my SEO program, compactkeywords.com. 13 and a half hours long, super in depth. You're going to love it. That's all for the show.